So, I'm really bored. Okay, cool. Anyway, so, it's Friday, and first, and I don't know what to do. Like, yeah. Ah, no, I don't feel my shower here. He's alive. I guarantee it 100%. Well, that's just yeah. Ah, the things that you do in your free time. Hi guys, my name is Rachel, and I am 14 and a half, kind of, in a way. Whatever. And I have no life. I'm going to Florida tomorrow, so I'm waiting for my mom to come pick me up so we can go and get ready. That was really loud. But yeah, we're gonna go. Get ready. Go to Florida. And I just want to get a tan. Because whenever, all the other times I got tan, I just tried to wear socks. And so, I have a really bad tan line and have to put bronzer on my feet. And I'm tired of that. So, I just want to go get a nice tan on my feet, you know? Right? Uh-huh. Yeah. And I'm excited because Florida. I don't know where we're going in Florida. But it doesn't even matter because it's Florida. And I definitely do not live in Florida. Not even close. It's pretty cold. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, I'm bored. I could do like a puppet show over here. Like, oh, nice to meet you. I cried something here. I artichoke you. Oh, see, she's alive. I didn't lie. This is probably like the most pointless video we have ever seen, but I don't care because I'm sick. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, just kidding. I'm not scared. I get scared easily though. Not that easily. You know what I'm saying? You catch my drift, bro. Look at my nails. I got them did. I'm so stupid. But yeah. You can see my ashes. Like one of them are like really shorter than the other because I burned them. I cut my ass out. I can't see. But maybe you can. Who knows? Guys, I'm bored. I don't like these shorts. They're ugly. Look at that. That is weird angle. That made me look really fat. Whatever. Anyway. And then they have their pockets stick out. And it looks really weird. Whatever. It's fine. And then I have on these. I give up on life. I'm just kidding. I don't want to die. Or do I? You know? It's a mystery that might never be solved. I'm just like over here talking to the freaking computer. I talk to myself sometimes in the mirror. I got a text message. I'm not too sleep. That sounds nice. Anyways. Whoa. So it's bad sit there. So I just got out of the shower and I trained like right away. And then, yeah. I'm just kidding. I have on eyeshadow. I'm just kidding. I usually wear it. But, what? I have. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm just gonna go now and then make another one. Goodbye.